Hello everyone. In my previous video, I told you two types of reported speech. First is assertive sentences and second is interrogative sentences. So students, in this video, I am telling you third type of reported speech, name is imperative sentence. Sentences which is begin with first form of the verb. Imperative sentences expresses the sense of command, order, advice, warning, request, etc. Therefore, reporting verb is changed into commanded, ordered, advised, forbade, suggested, begged, etc. Imperative sentences express the sense of command, order, advice, warning and request. Therefore, reporting verb is changed into commanded, order, advice, forbade, suggested, begged, etc. The words please and kindly indicate request. Please and kindly words indicate request. Rule second is connective, we have to use here to. Connective to. Next, tense of reported speech is not changed. The tense of reported speech is not changed. Next, in case of a negative imperative, the auxiliary do is dropped and to is placed after not. Listen again. In case of a negative imperative, the auxiliary do is dropped and to will be used after not. For example, the teacher said to the students, do not waste your time. The teacher said to the students, do not waste your time. The teacher is giving advice to the students. The students not is dropped and to is placed after not to. Waste, your second person change according to object. The students means their time. Next, remember these things. In imperative sentences, let is also used. We have to use in imperative sentences let. If the word let denotes permission, if the word let denotes permission, it is changed into infinitive to let, and reporting verb is changed into request. For example, Sulekha said to Anil, let me do this work. Sulekha said to Anil, let me do this work. Sulekha said to requested. Anil to let. Me first person change according to Sulekha. Sulekha her do this work. Do this will be changed into that work. Next, when let expresses a proposal, the reporting verb is changed into proposed or suggested. Let is replaced by should. Let, we have to drop let and we have to write should. For example, I said to them, let us go to the river for swimming. I said to them, let us go to the river for swimming. So I am changing this sentence into indirect speech. I said to will be changed into proposed to. Then connective that let us go to the river for swimming. Let will dropped and let will be changed into should. Us first person change according to subject I. We should go to the river for swimming. Now examples are: the king said to his servants, go away at once. The king said to his servant. The king ordered his servants. Connective to go away at once. Second, mother said to me, work properly. Mother said to me, work properly. Mother give me advice, advise me. Connective to work properly. Next is, you said to him, please lend me 500 rupees. You said to him, please lend me 500 rupees. Please means we are writing here requested. You requested him to. Connective to. Please word will be removed. Lend me first person change according to subject you. Then I am writing here you 500 rupees. Next, the boy said to him, let me work properly. Let me work now. The boy said to him, let me work now. The boy requested him. Connective to. Let me first person change according to the boy, him. Work now will be changed into then. The boy requested him to let him work then. Next, the teacher said to the boys, don't make a noise. The teacher said to the boys, don't make a noise. The teacher said to will be changed into forbade. To the boys, connective to make a noise. Or second type, the teacher asked the boys not to. Here we have to use here connective to, and before connective we have to use here not word, not to make a noise. So students, I hope you must have understood this third type of reported speech, imperative sentences. So students, in my next video I will be giving you some examples related to this topic. Thank you so much.